Good day, volleyball fans. We are now heading to our fourth game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of Governor Ramon V, Guico III. For our third game, it is the battle between the city of Alaminos having 5-1 standing versus municipality of Aguilar having 3-3 standing. So for this match, matutunghayan natin ang kanilang preparation when it comes to their defense, blocking, receive, and sa kanilang services, and also powerful attacks coming from the two municipalities. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page because our fourth game in the men's division is about to start. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
First 6 for Team Alaminos. We have jersey number 11, jersey number 4, jersey number 2, jersey number 9, jersey number 7, and jersey number 1. Their libero, jersey number 10. First 6 for Team Aguilar, jersey number 1, jersey number 7, jersey number 11, jersey number 3, jersey number 4, jersey number 2, their libero. First to serve, Team Alaminos. Rabanal serving. Ooh, straight into the net. First service error for Alaminos. Charm Credo with the racket. One all. Serving Kalikdan. Second service error for Team Alaminos. Serving Kael Ambrose of Aguilar. Good serve. Gariza, sinungkit. Dead ball. Gariza is in front already. So it's just legal to make sungkit yung bola. Dead ball. Kyle Ambrose serving again. Kalikdan to Rariza. Charm Credo. Clipping the net. Kyle Ambrose. Rariza to Gapasen. Peralta denied by the block, but it falls out. The Credo Capasen block is ineffective that time. Ambrose serving. Ranit receives. Charm pushes. Peralta, who will we go to? Makaraeg with the cherry bomb. Slow start here for Alaminos. Only 1 point. While Aguilar maximizes that. 5 points already for Team Aguilar. Rariza to the back row. Kalikdan. Asquiza. 4 touches for Team Aguilar. Gapas and serving. De Leon receives. Ooh, Macardaeg. Placement shot there. Six, serving 2. 4-point advantage for Team Aguilar. Kael. Sorry, that's Macardaeg. Oh, placement shot 2. Point for Team Alaminos after that Credo hit. Charm serving. Peralta goes to Oskiza. Oskiza. No touch from the block. Ball too wide for Oskiza. For serving 6, Charm serving. Peralta. De Leon. And it goes out. Five serving 6. Charm serves. Peralta to Oskiza. Drop ball. Rariza to the open Rabanal. Libero plays setter to Oskiza. Doug. Rabanal. Gagawin ng paraan. Save. Chase by De Leon. Rariza to Rabanal. Ball out. Too much angle for Maki there. Oskiza now serving for Team Aguilar. Good serve. Rabanal chases, but no go. Oskiza still serving. Bembo rejected. Nine serving 5 after that Danyo rejection. Oskiza. Rabanal gagawa ng paraan, pero masyadong mabilis yung bigay ni Charm. Alaminos City trailing by 5 points. Oskiza still serving. Straight to the net. Good timeout by Team Alaminos, icing Skiza. Full front row for Ariza right now. Peralta. Free ball, Rabanal. Ariza to Kalikdan. Five-point lead for Team Aguilar. Danya serves. Rariza to Bembo. Bembo with the dump.
Serving, jersey number 1, Bembo. Peralta, unsuccessful on that 1-2 play. Baba sa 3 ang kalamangan ng Team Aguilar. Still serving, Bembo. Peralta itataas para sa 4. But that will go out. So another point for Team Aguilar. Serving, De Leon. Good reception to Rabanal. Andun si De Leon. Skiza will set it to Makaraag. Pushes that one, but serving, jersey number 7, Rabanal. Good reception. Sets it to Makaraag. Deflected. Rariza backs it to Kalikdan. Skiza was there. Peralta 1-2. Andun si Ranit. Rariza to Credo. Andun si De Leon. Set para kay Makaraag. And a point for jersey number 1. Peralta. Rariza chases that one. Kalikdan, andun si De Leon. Isa-set para kay Makaraag. And another point for jersey number 1. Back-to-back points. Peralta. Short serve, Rariza sets it to Credo, and a point for jersey number 4. Serving, Kalikdan. Good serve. And another point for Team Alaminos City. Serving, Kalikdan. Sharp serve. Peralta is set sa middle, and 3 straight points here for Team Alaminos City. Still serving, Kalikdan. And that is outside, so another point for Team Aguilar. On the service zone, jersey number 7, Ambrose.
Granit To Rariza. Opens to Charm. Andun si Kael. Peralta to Oskiza. Block. Oskiza again. And it goes out.
And the point is awarded to Aguilar. I think there's a check.
Was there a check, partner? Yes. No,
Alright.
there wasn't a check. It's ball out.
So the first referee reverses the call to Alaminos City.
Got pass and serves. Directly to the net.
Straight to the net.
$16, serving 13. Galido in for serving specialist, for serving specialty. Good serve by Galido. Charm, Kalikdan, gagawa ng paraan, and he scores! An out-of-system play there. Doms Kalikdan.
Serving jersey number 4, Credo. And a service
Charm with an
ace.
ace.
And natawag ng timeout dito ang team Aguilar. Serving Credo. And good timeout on the side of team Aguilar to ice the server.
Crucial service error there for Credo. Askiza on the service deck.
Sharp serve. Good ball. And that is outside. So point for team Aguilar.
That will be costly for Team Alaminos.
Serving. Team captain Oskiza. Rariza itataas para kay Rabanal. And then libero Peralta to Danyo.
Danyo.
What a quick attack.
Danyo coming from nowhere with that be quick.
At substitution. Rabanal out, Cañedo in.
Askiza.
Serving.
Kalikdan asking the ball for Askiza. And intimidated. Rariza, full front row.
Serve. Peralta itataas para kay De Leon. Bembo will set it to Cañedo. And
Cañedo.
first point for jersey number 6. Too long for that serve.
Team Aguilar, first on the 20th mark.
Danyo just receives that one. Rariza
Free
gives a
ball
free
for
ball.
Cañedo. Ooh, free ball again for Team Aguilar. Rariza now where?
Kalikdan
Kalikdan rejected. Ranitz, please setter. Kalikdan again.
Peralta
De
to De
Leon,
Leon. Drop
drop
ball.
shot.
Good
Free
ball.
Ooh!
Wow, what a play there for Ambrose.
Kia Kael Ambrose powering that.
Serving, Danyo. Rariza itataas para kay Kalikdan. Andun si Gelido.
Kalikdan was dug. De Leon. Ranit.
And good effort on the side of Alaminos City. And Alaminos City will call for their final timeout here sa ating first set. Huwag po kayong aalis dahil ang last game po natin ay Team Lingayen versus Team Bugalyon.
Danyo serving. Rariza to Bembo.
That is outside.
Just outside.
No check ball. Danyo. Received by Cañedo. Rariza will set it to Kalikdan. And point for jersey number 2.
Loose block there from the tandem of Kael Ambrose and De Leon. Bembo. Peralta to the middle, De Leon.
Substitution here on the side of Team Aguilar. Kabalik na si Makaraeg. Set point here for Team Aguilar. Ranit, Rariza to Kalikdan. Andun si De Leon, but that is outside na. Point for Team Alaminos City.
They are not yet done, partner.
Yes.
There's still life. Cañedo serves. Peralta, who will he go to? Makaraeg finishes that one. First set going to Team Aguilar.
Same players here for Team Aguilar. For Team Alaminos City, nasak nila si Kaalim. First serve goes to Aguilar. Peralta. Short serve. Rariza to Credo. Rariza to Kaalim. And point for Team Alaminos City.
Pariza serving. Peralta sets to Kiza. Ooh! Solid hit from Oskiza to the line judge. Oh, he's strong. Heart strong, sabi ng line judge.
It's okay daw. Rariza. Peralta kneeling set to Makaraeg. And then si Rabanal. Save. Free ball. Peralta. Swipes it off the block of Kaalim. First point for Team Aguilar.
Good swipe from Oskiza. Kael Ambrose. Rariza, kalikdan, rejected by Danyo.
Peralta to Makaraeg.
Rabanal to Kaalim. Peralta to Oskiza, denied. Peralta to Makaraeg. Oskiza, rejected, deflected.
Long rally.
Kalikdan! Oh, rejected by Oskiza and Danyo.
And I love the celebration of Oskiza there. Serving Ambrose.
Ariza, the flying Kaalim.
And a solid block.
Rejected again.
2 consecutive block points for Team Aguilar.
Aguilar's net defense is impeccable.
Ambrose. Rariza. And medyo naluno doon si Charm. This is a 4-0 run.
Hindi nagkaamuyan. No connection between Rariza and Credo there.
Ambrose. Rariza to Kalikdan. And Kalikdan stops the bleeding here.
Charm Credo on deck to serve. De Leon. Peralta to Oskiza. Outside.
Deadlock at 4. Serving. Credo. Peralta is set. Danya ginawa ng paraan. Credo will set it to Kaalim. And Kaalim gets the point.
Frustrations on of the liver of Aguilar. He knew he could get that, but a little too late. Charm Credo. Peralta with the differential. Ooh!
Good ball! And a lucky point for Team Aguilar.
What a play there by Team Aguilar. Good save.
Serving, jersey number 1, Makaraeg. Service error. Serving, Kaalim. Peralta itataas para kay Osquiza. Rariza. And point for Team Aguilar.
Osquiza on the service deck. Taking his time. And it goes out.
Serving, Kalikdan. And service error then for Team Alaminos City.
Danyo serving. Straight to Rabanal. Rariza. Binato ang bola sa likod. Osquiza plays setter to De Leon. Rejected. Bembo serves. Peralta to Kael Ambrose. Bembo chases. Rabanal ginawa ng paraan. Peralta to De Leon. Placement shot.
Smart play by De Leon.
Kalikdan couldn't get right in time.
De Leon. Rariza to Rabanal. Andun si De Leon. Peralta will set it to Makaraeg.
Rejected by Credo.
He is blocked.
9-8 after that Credo wall. Rabanal, floater. Peralta. Kael Ambrose.
Dead again at 9. Peralta. Rariza to Kaalim. Soft touch. Peralta to Makaraeg. And another point for Team Aguilar. Peralta. Rariza to Charm. Delays that one. Makaraeg from out of system play.
Alaminos City in disarray. They are confused. And they are disoriented. Rariza to the flying Kaalim. And Kaalim scores off the block. Rariza, full front row. Too many options for him. Peralta to Ambrose. Rariza to Credo.
the service zone. Rariza. Peralta is set para kay Ozquiza. That is off the block. Point for the captain.
A lead after lead, partner.
Ambrose to serve. Rariza sa gitna.
Credo. Staring at Danyo. Peralta calls for play. Delion asking for it. Ooh, confusion. Ozquiza, free ball. Rariza, who will he go to? The flying kalikdan. And yes!
One-point lead for team Alaminos City. Credo. Peralta ibibigay kay Ozquiza. And Ozquiza
Rejection.
is blocked.
Rejection from the Bembo Kaalim tandem. Ozquiza staring that one. Credo with an ace. And now Alaminos City is a bit oriented now.
Timeout, Team Aguilar.
Charm serving. Unsteady libero of Aguilar. Gives free ball. Kalikdan. Peralta to Ozquiza. Bembo was there. Kaalim flying. And zone 1 unattended. This is now a 4-point lead enjoyed by Team Alaminos City.
Still serving, Credo. Peralta, free ball for Team Alaminos. Rariza to Bembo.
Bembo!
5-point lead.
Poor first ball for Team Aguilar. Peralta cannot run through it. Credo targets De Leon.
Danyo. Too
Danyo
wide.
outside.
This is a 6-point lead.
Credo targets De Leon again.
Ozquiza stops the bleeding.
Serving 18 after that Ozquiza hit. Makaraag. Turabanan, Rariza. Backsets to Kalikdan. Zone 5 open. (19) serving 13. Kaalim on deck. Float serve. Peralta. Ooh, campfire, Alaminos City.
Point for Team Aguilar.
Alaminos City can't relax right now, partner. They are trailing with 1 set.
Serving. Osquiza, good serve. Rariza to Kalikdan.
Kalikdan with a twirl. A stare down and a twirl. Come on. (20) serving 14. And an ace serve!
Ace for Kalikdan. Seven-point lead.
Kalikdan serving. Peralta to Daño. Dog by Kaalim. Cañedo. Net touch for Daño. Time out, Team Aguilar. A mountain to climb for Team Aguilar. Alaminos City seeking for a revenge from the first set loss. Osquiza receives. Peralta to Tamondong, rejected. Osquiza, Tamondong again. Deflected by the block. Cañedo, 3-man block, and yes! They isolated Cañedo for that.
Serving jersey number 4, Daño. Osquiza. Free ball for Team Alaminos City. Sets to Cañedo. Andon si Osquiza. Daño. Another free ball for Team Alaminos City. Cañedo blocked. No, that is not over. 4 touches. Six-point lead here. Rariza to Cañedo. Pinabawi kaagad. Serving jersey number 1, Bembo. Peralta set kay Ambrose. That is inside. Babalik na dito si Macaraag.
17 serving 23. Tamondong serving. Gariza to Credo.
Lace that one.
Credo with that delayed attack. I think I saw that already before, partner.
Set point for Alaminos City. Cañedo. Peralta is set sa open, but
And second
error.
set.
We are going to a third and deciding set.
Alaminos City
Sa
wins
ating
second set,
fourth
25 to
match.
17.
You're still watching the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Aguilar versus Team Alaminos City. Ito po ang ating Game 4 for Men's Division ngayong gabi. And nasa third set na po tayo. First serve, Rariza. Receive with the libero, Peralta, tumakaraeg, blocked, covered, Kaalim. Let's wait for the call. And the call is awarded to Team Alaminos City. Rather Aguilar. First point for Team Aguilar. Serving, jersey number 11, Peralta. Rariza sets to Kalikdan, and the first point for Alaminos City.
Kalikdan with a sassy walk, slashing through the defense of Aguilar. On deck to serve for Team Alaminos, Charm Credo.
Oskiza, that is off the block.
Serving Ambrose.
Rariza to Kaalim. Net touch. On the service zone, jersey number 3, Kaalim.
Kaalim serving. Targets De Leon. And ball touched the ceiling.
Serving, jersey number 3. Received by Osquiza. Peralta is a set sa kanya.
Osquiza. Challenging the block of Bembo and Rariza. Makaraeg on the service deck. Peralta to Osquiza, punishing that.
Serving, jersey number 1, Makaraeg. Sinet kay Kalikdan. Osquiza will set it to De Leon. And another point for Team Aguilar. Serving, jersey number 1. Good serve. Rariza, back set to Kalikdan.
Kalikdan.
Point for
Staring
Team
Danyo
Alaminos City.
and De Leon. Kalikdan serving. Ace for Doms Kalikdan.
Still serving, Kalikdan.
Peralta to Osquiza. Oh! The battle of stare down. Osquiza serving. Jump serve. Ooh.
Service error for Osquiza.
The high risk, high reward jump serve. Bembo on deck to serve. Targets the libero. Osquiza plays setter. Bembo digs. And the shirt of Charm Queredo touched the net. Unfortunate error there.
On the service zone, jersey number 4, Danyo. Rariza to Rabanal, drop ball, andun si Makaraeg to De Leon. And alata sa zone 1. The variation sa mga palo ng Team Aguilar.
Slowly pulling away.
Rariza to Charm.
Ooh. Credo with a power tip.
On the service zone, jersey number 7, Rabanal. Osquiza, Peralta to De Leon, blocked, self-cover. Si Seth kay Ambrose.
Kael Ambrose. The unfamiliar territory there. Kael Ambrose producing points for Team Aguilar. Rariza to Kaalim using Kael Ambrose's hands.
Rariza. Chase, free ball for Alaminos City. Rariza to Kaalim, blocked.
Kalikdan to the net.
Not over.
Ambrose shouting in front of him. And he will be called by the up ref.
Tumalikod daw sila.
Too much celebration. Pwede namang tumalikod.
Peralta. Rariza sets the charm. Then si Osquiza. One hand set to Osquiza.
Oh! Osquiza versus
Buksan sa
Kalikdan
net.
stare down. Eleven serving 8. A 3-point cushion for Team Aguilar. Peralta serves. Rariza, who will he go to? To Alim. Block. Kalikdan. Now it's her time to stare down Osquiza. Back to square one in stare down count.
Katuwaan lang po ito.
They're all friends after this, partner.
Yes. And service
Charm
error.
Credo wasting the service.
Osquiza.
The very animated Osquiza. Full front row for Peralta. Kael Ambrose to Rabanal. Granit digs, no one there.
Free ball.
De Leon Peralta.
Good.
Oh! And the walk. The catwalk of Osquiza.
Osquiza says sorry.
Kael Ambrose targets the libero, Lanit. Kalikdan. And the Danyo Macaraeg block is ineffective. It is not yet a safe lead, partner. 3-point lead by Team Aguilar.
Matagal pa tong third set.
Kaalim targets De Leon, Peralta.
Combination
Macaraeg with the bomb. That differential play from Peralta catapulted them to 14 points. Rariza, Kalikdan, and exchange of words for Askiza and Kalikdan. We are enjoying this show. Kalikdan serving. Makaraeg to Askiza.
Not
Net
over.
rejection.
Baba sa 2-point lead.
Kalikdan serving. Straight to Makaraeg, Peralta. De
De
Leon,
Leon.
net block again.
And it's time for Team Aguilar para tumawag ng timeout. Serving, Kalikdan, over ball, Rariza 1-2, Peralta, set para kay Oskiza, blocked, Vinluan to Oskiza, swipes it off.
Oh! Let's add Cañedo
And tatawagin ang team captain for
to the
both
stare down
teams.
sessions. They're holding hands, partner.
Yes.
A warning for both teams.
Peralta to Oskiza.
Ball out for Askiza. Up ref constantly reminding the players of Alaminos City to calm down.
At tumalikod.
Calm your nerves. Kalikdan. Straight to the net. Oskiza now at the back. Float serve. Kalim. Cañedo. And Cañedo scores.
Change favor. Lamang ng isa ang team Alaminos City. Peralta. Net violation again for Corredo. Daño. To Cañedo, deflected. Oskiza will set to De Leon, and that is inside.
Danyo on deck to serve. Kaalim. Gariza. Tukalikdan. And yes, he gets that in zone 1. Cañedo serving. Peralta to Ambrose. Breaks the block.
And substitution for Team Aguilar. De Leon out. Galido in. Service specialist. Galido, short serve. Rariza, net kay Charm. But
Kaalim giving a fake receive there. His teammates ni nervyos doon.
and the coach.
Galido receives Peralta. Umakadaeg. Granit was there. Kalikdan flies. And Oskiza couldn't handle that scorching hot.
Lamang ulit ng isa ang Team Alaminos City.
Gariza. Oskiza receives. Peralta tumakadaeg. Double block. No problem. This is deadly partner. Full front row for Aguilar.
Kalikdan drops. Galido to Oskiza. Block. Good ball. This is Charm. Ando si Peralta. Ambrose to Oskiza.
Outside. Ball out.
But
Oh, plus the net touch.
violation. So point for Team Alaminos City.
Charm Credo serving. Peralta. Tumakadaeg and it's out. Time out for Team Aguilar. They will talk things out. (21) serving 19. Charm Credo on deck to serve.
Peralta to Ambrose. Blocked. Cover. Oskiza. That is outside.
Good decision by Credo to let it go.
3-point lead.
3-point lead by Alaminos City. Ooh!
Service error for Charm Credo.
Momentum breaker there. Kael Ambrose on deck to serve for Team Aguilar. Kalikdan making something out of nothing. The out of system play. has given them
Val-
opportunity to raise the lead from 3. Kaalim. Peralta. Oskiza outside. Ball out.
Let's wait for the call. And the point is awarded to Alaminos City. Alaminos is now at match point.
.24 match point for Team Alaminos. Askiza constantly contesting the call from the up referee. First referee giving Askiza a yellow card. That is the first yellow card I've seen for today.
Serving for the match, Kaalim.
Kaalim targets Galido. Peralta. Pupuntahan si... Oh, Oskiza.
That is inside.
21 serving, 24.
Babalik na dito si De Leon.
Makaraeg on deck. Good serve. Rariza looks at his opponents. And Kalikdan scores for the match. Team Alaminos won 25-21, 2 sets to 1. Congrats to both teams.
That concludes our intense fourth game in the men's division. Nakita naman natin na naging all-out ang dalawang municipality from the first set up until the third set mula sa Team Aguilar. Nakita natin na simula pa lang ng first set ay kitang-kita natin ang kanilang sipag mula sa kanilang depensa and also sa kanilang monster attacks and powerful blocks. Mula naman sa Team Alaminos, kahit na medyo down ang kanilang umpisa, kitang-kita natin ang naging adjustment nila sa second and third set at grabe ang binigay nila ang lahat ng kanilang makakaya para makuha ang panalo for this game. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, City of Alaminos, player number 2, Kalikdan, having 17 attacks and 3 aces. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So nakita naman natin yung naging adjustment ninyo nung second set. Sino nag-suggest ninyo? Kayong players or yung coaches? Yung coach nyo?
Yung game namin ngayon, masyadong intense. So, nagtiwala lang kami sa mga coaching staff namin, lahat. Tsaka, lahat ng galaw namin kanina, yung laro namin, inaalay namin kay God. Yun lang.
Ibang-iba rin kasi talaga, especially kapag meron tayong God na kasama kapag naglalaro tayo. So, in what moment yung feel mo mas naging eager ka na ibigay yung best mo?
Yes. Well, hindi man maganda yung pakiramdam ko kahapon tsaka ngayon. Well, trinay ko, binigay ko yung best ko para, though hindi ko naman goal na mag-player of the game, pero gusto ko i-challenge yung sarili ko na, ibigay yung best ko, yun.
So, hindi pa pala okay yung pakiramdam mo, pero ginawa mo pa rin yung best mo sa loob ng court and still naging player of the game ka pa ulit. So, ano naman message mo sa mga teammates mo, supporters ng Alaminos and also sa family and friends mo?
Well, thank you sa teammates ko. Yes! 6-1 na tayo. 6-1 na kami, Mayor. Alam mo na. Tsaka, sa mga friends ko na nanonood, thank you so much sa pag-support. At saka kay God, thank you so much, God, sa binigay mong game sa amin ngayon.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our fourth game here in the men's division. See you again in our last game dahil magiging intense ang ating last game for tonight. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter, Pangasinan, ang galing!